earthquake tremors were felt in Delhi on Friday night at 9:08 p.m. According to the National Center for Seismology, an earthquake with a magnitude of 4.6 on the Richter scale hit 16 kilometers ESE of Rohtak in Haryana at 21:08 hours on Friday. This is the third time tremors have been felt in Delhi NCR in the month of May. The earthquake was felt across Delhi and in the nearby regions of Noida as well. Rohtak is around 65 kilometers from Delhi. There were no reports of any casualties or damage. Social media was abuzz with people reporting the quake, instantly sending #earthquake to the top of the trends.